Hello everyone, this is Kusantor. In this video, we'll be talking about using idioms accurately. Idioms de balumyo, mamangangan tongjamle, liladama pibare. So what are idioms? Idioms are fixed expressions. During Biozan Dangmaloa Abu, idiom de Soraga, Zagalong Dwelai Lidi, a day beshiga, Dwelai Lidi Tomabare. So why do we use them? Balu Tongbolura lesora to sound more natural in speaking and also in informal writing. So Sagabare chain, informal writing name, the Bawa Jabu Dongna Pibare. Now here's the tricky part, getting the details right. So at these idea casa, my uncle Sayabare, the Rajanari Mabi Dongli Shijare, Parmatisecaro articles, E and there you tear choke de reload no? But it's not a good practice here. For example, up to the minute. Tagoma up to minutes of Mababi. Now to check our prepositions. Preposition ile dija tongabare. For example, at a loss for words. Tagoma at a loss of words mababi. Now to kuaro plurals and singular. So dija tongabare. For example, tying the knot. Tagoma tying the knots. Mababi. Now so to kuaro word order. Asin like tongabare. For example, save and sound. Arauma sound and save. Mavare. Now so you just want to check out getting the pronunciation spot on. But don't worry about that. We'll learn together. And at the end of the day, we'll get the hang of it. Thank you. See you again.